In this video, we showcase the King Technocount T12, a high-performance automatic tablet and capsule counting machine designed for accuracy, speed, and reliability in today's production environments. Why choose 3 trays when 2 will do the job? The T12 streamlined twin-tray design delivers up to 90% of the output of traditional 3-tray systems, with fewer parts, less maintenance, and a much smaller footprint. In this demo, you'll see a 30-count fill of small oval softgel capsules, running in a dual-lane setup, with 6-track trays per funnel. The T12 achieves real-time speeds of up to 80 bottles per minute, with smooth, vibration-driven product flow and precise bottle gating. With 12 counting channels, advanced vibratory feeders, and high-speed optical sensors, the T12 ensures accurate counts at maximum speeds. Operators can fine-tune vibration frequency for different product types, while the intuitive 15-inch touchscreen makes setup, monitoring, and real-time adjustments simple. The compact 2-tray layout also means easier cleaning, faster changeovers, and lower risk of jams or downtime. Built-in stainless steel for continuous operation, the T12 handles tablets, capsules, caplets, softgels, and other products, from coated tablets to large-size 0E capsules, all with minimal format changes. An integrated dust extraction system keeps the production area clean and GMP compliant. The King Technocount T12 combines speed, precision, and durability in one powerful package, the sweet spot between speed and simplicity. Trusted by manufacturers across Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and the Americas, King tablet counters are shipped globally. To learn more or request a quote, visit www.C.E.King.com or email us directly at sales@ceking.com.